Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome to IT First Solutions. In this video we are going to learn SQL select top clause. So first understand what is this top clause. The SQL top clause is used to specify the numbers of records to be returned. So suppose if you have thousands of records in your table and you want to return some specific records from that table without using that where clause, because where clause returns only records on the basis of specific condition. But in case you want to return some specific records or recently inserted records, you can use SQL select top clause. Okay, because if you select all of records from your table, it may be reduce your performance of your software, your web application or your system. Then it is good practice to return the some specific records rather than displaying all the records. Let's suppose if you are developing a software for you can say point of sale software, you can developing software for schools. You should return the recent registered students or recent performed sales. Okay, so let's apply how to use this select all from employees. Okay, first of all execute this one and look at this. We have 12 records in this table. Okay, so I want to return only 5 records. So how to use select top 5 from employees. Okay, control F5. Select static over here because we need to specify the number of columns. Okay, now execute. Look at this, we have only top 5 records which are stored in this table. So this is how, if you wanna select 2 records, select top 2 and then execute it. Look at this, we have only top 2 records from this table. Okay, if you click on this one and look at this, but we are you can also order by this column, order by employee ID DESC, descending. Okay, now select. Look at this, we have top 2 records from recent inserted records. Using we have get this using this order by statement. Okay, you can also select percent records in percentage. So select top 50%. You can use this percent. Okay, so if you execute this one, look at this, we are getting 1 2 3 4, and if you execute this one, we have total we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 records. And if you select this one, you will get 4. If you write top 40%, then select execute, and look at this, we have 40% records. If you have this is a useful technique if you have millions of records stored in your table, and you can specify the percentage or you can specify the specific number. Select top 50 records from your employees table or order table and stuff like that. So this is how you can use select top statement in SQL. In the next video we'll discuss more about SQL. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet again in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.